How much do you need to make per month in order to be able to live in Thailand? The answer is pretty simple and straightforward. And I would say it's $1,000. And why $1,000? Well, obviously it depends on where you go, on your lifestyle, how pretentious you are. But for example, right now I'm in Pattaya. This is my third month here, and honestly, I've been tracking all of my expenses, and honestly, you can actually live off of just $500 per month here in Pattaya. Now, I did spend a little more, and the reason for that was because I did some activities that just cost money, but those are not necessary for you to live, right? To just live life. So I'm not talking about cutting on food or, I'm not talking about rent, food, transportation, and all those things. The reason why I spent more than $500 was because I did some activities that cost me money. But you don't need to do that. So really, it's realistic in 2025 to live off of $500. And I showed you on my channel already two studio apartments that are extremely affordable. One is $147 a month and the other one is $87 a month. So you can live off of $500 no matter who says what. I'm here, I'm seeing it. It's possible. But again, it depends the city you're in, if you want a swimming pool, if you want a view and all those things. It depends on your lifestyle, but it is possible, and you're not going to be sleeping on a street with $500. You will have something decent, something okay, and you will be eating out street food every day. You don't need to cook. You will be taking Bolt, so transportation similar to Uber, every day, let's say, right? To go wherever you want to go, to the beach or whatever. So $500 is doable. It's possible. Now, if it's $500, why am I saying 1,000? Well, the reason why I'm saying 1,000 is because you need to have a buffer. And sometimes, for example, after 3 months, maybe you want to leave. You want to leave to a different place. Well, you'll need a flight ticket for that. So you have to take into consideration this as well. And also, just in general, it's good to save some money. What if something happens? I got bitten by a mosquito and ended up at the hospital, at the emergency room. The insurance paid for me and is still paying because I have to visit the hospital every day. And that costs money. But what if I had to pay out of my own pocket and then I would get the money back later? Things like that can happen. So $1,000 a month, I would say, it's good. You can live off of $500, but you never wanna make as much as you spend in a month. You always want to be living below your means. So $1,000, that's what you need to be making in order to come to Thailand, live in Thailand, and live a comfortable life. With $1,000, you'd be good. Again, guys, let me know in the comment section down below what you think, like always. If you are already living in Thailand, what's your experience, if you agree with me, if you don't. And also let me know what other videos do you want me to make, what topics in regards to traveling around the world, not just Thailand, but can be Thailand, can be just traveling around the world, backpacking and working online. Let me know in the comment section down below, and also let me know what I can improve in those videos, and if I can actually improve, I will improve. Thank you and see you in the next one.